10 amazing health benefits of lemon balm. Lemon balm health benefits includes reducing neurodegenerative diseases, maintaining immune system, regulating blood sugar levels, supporting cardiovascular health, treating cold and cough, combating insomnia, a source of antioxidants, maintaining digestive system, relieving pain, supporting oral health, maintaining skin condition, boosting energy levels and fighting bacteria. Lemon balm remained a significant part of home remedies to treat numerous health ailments for centuries. Health experts suggest that it could become a natural source to reap beneficial components such as minerals, chemical compounds, and antioxidants. What is lemon balm? It is a perennial type plant that belongs to Middle East, Asia, and Europe, scientifically categorized as Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm is a family member of mint. The bright yellow flowers of the plant blossom in spring and summer that possess pleasant fragrance. You can find variation in lemon balm leaves, yellowish to dark green. Moreover, you can store fresh lemon balm leaves in the refrigerator. You can find its tea, essential oil, and capsule on the market as well. 10 amazing health benefits of lemon balm. 1. Reduces neurodegenerative diseases. A study has found that consuming lemon balm tea can affect your brain significantly. The high content of antioxidants has made it possible as they function to alleviate the buildup of amyloid plaques in your neural pathways. The process combats the risk associated with the onset of neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's disease. 2. Maintains immune system. You need to obtain plenty of nutrients to strengthen your immune system. You will be delighted to learn that lemon balm can provide the adequate of levels of various minerals and vitamins that will function to increase your immunity. This way, it will effectively ward off health damaging factors including oxidative stress in your body organs. Moreover, the boosted immunity can dismantle minor ailments such as infectious bacteria that contribute to flu and fever. Therefore, sip on some warm lemon balm tea and let it make a difference. 3. Regulate blood sugar levels. It is one of those herbs that function to regulate irregular sugar levels in your bloodstream. Nutritionists suggest that lemon balm could become a natural source to prevent diabetic symptoms. Incorporating the herb into your daily diet can promote insulin activity as well. However, it is suggested to consult with your endocrinologist and refrain from self-medication in case of high sugar level. 4. For cardiovascular health, you can utilize lemon balm in any form of maintaining your cardiovascular health. It is highly beneficial to ward off factors that contribute to high blood pressure. You can also decrease triglyceride levels in your body via lemon balm. It will later result in reduced risk associated with coronary heart diseases, heart attacks, atherosclerosis, and strokes. Also, it is advised to consult with your cardiologist in case of heart problems and avoid treating them with home remedies. 5. Treats cold and cough. Studies have shown that lemon balm possesses antiviral and antibacterial components. Not only the leaves are useful for relieving the condition, but they are potent enough to heal cold sore that herpes caused primarily. Apart from this, consuming lemon balm tea can also help ward off bacteria and germs that contribute to draining cold and cough. 6. Combats insomnia. Nutritionists have concluded that home remedies can affect prolonged insomnia enriched with sedative properties. Lemon balm can help in this regard. The components found in it function to relax your tensed nerves. Also, it possessed calming effect that soothes your brain, allowing you to sleep for hours. However, consume lemon balm tea in moderation after consulting your primary care physician. 7. A source of antioxidants. Various external and internal elements have potential to damage your health. That is why nutritionists recommend consuming foods enriched with antioxidants such as lemon balm. The latter is responsible for strengthening your immune system that combats the health damaging factors efficiently. This way, your body steers clear of the adverse effects of dismantling elements such as oxidative stress in your body organs. 8. Maintains digestive system. Lemon balm has been used to promote digestion for decades. Moreover, it is also effective when it comes to healing gastrointestinal distress along with stomach irritation. Nutritionists recommend incorporating lemon balm into your regular diet can help alleviate bloating as well. The leaves can help ward off inflammation in your gastrointestinal tract, improving gut health. Therefore, if you encounter digestion problems frequently, opting for lemon balm can improve your condition. 9. Relieves pain. Joints and muscle pain is indeed draining. Various factors contribute to this condition that you can treat from natural sources such as lemon balm. It contains antispasmodic effect that is highly beneficial regarding muscular spasms. You can also find soothing and healing properties of the lemon balm that function to alleviate inflammation in joints, providing prolonged relief. However, it is still suggested to consult with your physician to identify the actual cause if you experience joint pain more often. 10. For oral health, you may not believe it, but treating bleeding gums, bad breath, and other oral infections is possible with natural remedies. You need few drops of lemon balm essential oil mixed with water to rinse your mouth. This practice will not only dismantle mouth bacteria but will eliminate the bad odor of your mouth as well. Apart from home remedies, you should consult with your dentist if your gums bleed constantly.